Okay, this is Fast and Easy Computers. We've just fixed this HP all-in-one. It's actually decent enough specs, about 4 years old. And we've just put a new NVMe SSD in it because it didn't have enough RAM previously. So it had actually done 12 terabytes of writes to the drive. And the drive was failing. We were lucky to get the data. Anyway, we're just going to switch it on. This is a power on test. So HP takes a little bit of time to flash the screen, but this is it booting. This is from cold. There we go. So that's how quick you can get when you double the RAM and double the disk space on a 4-year-old machine. Right, cheers.